This video is about creating custom questionnaires under the Template Center. On the main menu, click on Template Center and select Questionnaire. Here, we provide a set of default templates, or you can select Custom and create a new questionnaire. To view your default questionnaires, click on the three dots and select Edit to view the questionnaire. If you want to edit it, you can make the changes and click Save to update your default questionnaire. To create a new questionnaire, click on Create New, select one question per page, and click Proceed. Here, IntoAEC provides 18 different controllers to help you create questionnaires. You can enter your questionnaire title and description. On page 1, select any of the controllers below. For example, if you choose checkbox, you can enter your question and the values for it. Click on the plus icon to add more values. Click on the X icon to remove any value. Users can answer using any of the supported options. Radio button allows users to select only one answer from the list. This is helpful for budget ranges or preference-based selections. Use short answer when you need brief responses, and long answer for detailed responses. Dropdown. Single allows the user to select one value, while drop-down multiple allows multiple selections. Use the email controller to collect your client's email address. Use slider scale to let users slide between values. You can toggle between number and percentage and set the start and end values. You can also use the basic info form, where users can enter their first name, last name, email, phone number, company, and address. If any field is not required, you can uncheck it and click Save. Use phone number to capture your lead's phone number. Use date and time for questions like scheduling a meeting or appointment. Use rating scale to get ratings from your customers. We also provide different matrix-based options such as matrix rating scale, matrix choice, single matrix choice, multiple matrix drop-down use. Add image when you want your users to select from images you provide. Click on Add Image to upload images. You can upload multiple images at once. Use File Upload if you want your users to upload documents or files. With all these tools, you can build a detailed and customized questionnaire. We also provide a Write with AI feature. Click Write with AI, enter your prompt, and click Generate. AI will generate a set of questionnaire suggestions for you. You can click Regenerate for a new set of questions, or click Insert to add them directly to your questionnaire. All questions will be inserted automatically. You can edit them further if needed, or click Save to save your questionnaire. That's all in this video on how to create custom questionnaires in our software. Thank you.